Please subscribe to our channel for latest update. Don't forget to press the bell icon.
Hello and welcome. Welcome to Piping Official. In this video, we will learn about some basics of pipe fittings. Fittings are fabricated pieces of pipe that are used to make changes of direction like elbow, T, reducer, etc. Pipe fitting is also very important in piping industries. In this picture, you can see some basic fittings. 90-degree elbow. It is the most common fitting to change the direction. Elbow can turn up, turn down, turn left, right, or any angle in between. 90-degree elbow can be classified are as follows: long radius elbow, short radius elbow, reducing elbow, and mitered elbow. Long radius elbow. It is the most common elbow. Long radius elbow are typically used in low pressure gravity fed system and other application where low turbulence and minimum deposition of entrained solid are of concern. The length of fitting is equal to 1.5 times the nominal pipe size. You can see the example. Short radius elbow. Elbow that may be used under certain circumstances and with the permission from the customer is the 90-degree short radius elbow. The 90-degree short radius elbow make a much sharper turn than does the long radius elbow. The short radius elbow have a center to end distance is equal to the nominal pipe size in inches. Reducing elbow. Reducing elbow is a kind of elbow setting that provide a change in a material flow and joins two pieces of different pipe or tubes. It helps the system to avoid pressure losses due to reacceleration and friction. It is named so as it is designed like an elbow. It has different size opening department on the sides of the connecting pipes. To choose an appropriate reducing elbow, one must look into some features like material, size, and also angle of their formation. Mitered elbow. The mitered elbow is not actual fitting. This elbow is made by making angular cuts in a straight run of pipe and then welding the cuts together after they have been rolled to a different angle. 45-degree elbow. This elbow is very important. It is used to make changes in direction within the piping system. 45-degree elbow is 1/2 of 90-degree elbow. T. It is a three-way fitting used to make perpendicular connection to a pipe. Line that connect to the main run of pipe are known as branches. The main run of pipe is often called the header. There are two types of T's, equal T and reducing or unequal T's, as you can see in the pictures. Reducers. Reducers allow for a change in pipe size to meet hydraulic flow requirement of the system or adapt to existing piping of a different size. Although reducers are usually concentric and eccentric reducers are used as needed to maintain the top or bottom of pipe level. Bands. Bands are made from seamless pipe. Basically they use to band the pipe in from the different banding process. Return or U-band. This is also made from banding process. It's basically used in vent on tank cross. Cross, also known as four-way fitting or cross branch line, have one inlet and three outlet. Cross are common in fire sprinkler system, but this fitting is not very common and basically used in plumbing. Couplings. A coupling is a very short length of pipe or tube with a socket at one or both ends that allow two pieces or tube to be joined. There are three types of coupling: full coupling, half coupling, and reducing coupling. Swage nipple. The function of swage nipple are the same as reducer. The only difference is that they are generally used to connect butt-welded pipe to a socket-welded or screwed pipe. They are also available as concentric and eccentric type. The different end connections available are plain both ends, plain large end, plain small end, beveled large end, threaded small end. Olets. Olets are used when its standard size of fitting are not suitable for our requirement. Sometimes the inlet pipe size is larger compared to outlet pipe in T section. Then also olets are used. There are many types of olets are available. Some important types of olets are butt weld olet, socket weld olet, threaded olet, elbow olet, nipple olet, lateral olet, sweep olet, flange olet. Stub-in and stub-on. For stub-in, the stub or branch pipe extend to the inside of the main pipe. The hole in the main pipe is usually beveled to allow for a full penetration weld. For stub-on, the stub extend only to the outside of the main pipe. The stub may be beveled, but if not, only a fillet weld can be done. Closure. Plug. Plug is a component of plumbing component which is generally used to close pipe opening during inspection and repair. Plug are generally contain male threads. Cap. Cap is a type of fitting which function is same as plug, but the only difference is the plug contain male thread and cap contain female thread, which is screw on the male thread of pipe. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.